the problem. Yesterday I have completed one problem. Today I will be completing another problem. Carefully you listen and write the given data. Okay, given data, formula, everything you have to write, and you have to give me the answer. Then what I will be doing now? Uh, I will be checking the answer, and it should be like an exam. Okay, so that you will be doing the problem now, and you will be having the practice. Hmm? So exam you will be comfortable with that. Okay. So now see, problem number 3. A truck weighs 10011 Newton. Okay, weight of the truck is given. Engine develops 97 brake kilowatt at 2400 RPM. Okay, so now write the data. W is equal to 10011 Newton. Okay, later you can write the given data. I will give some time. See, it is given engine develops brake power BKW it is given. So it is brake power. You can write BP 97 BK watt. Okay. Speed is 2400 RPM. Okay. Speed is 2400 RPM. And see, transmission efficiency is 90%. Okay. Transmission efficiency is 90%. Wait, let me take the simple for transmission efficiency. Transmission efficiency is 90% in top gear. So write the given data. Top gear transmission efficiency. Okay. So write top and so transmission efficiency is 90%. That is equal to zero point 0.9. And top gear ratio. Top gear ratio. Let it be G3. I think 3-speed gearbox only. So this also I can write R3. Okay. Top gear or third gear. Gear ratio is 3.4 is to 1. Okay. Then top gear is given, so it may be fourth gear then. See, he is giving third gear, no, so it will be fourth gear only then. Four direct speed gearbox. So top gear will be fourth one. Okay. Okay. Then you see transmission efficiency in third gear is 85 and gear ratio is 8.4 is to 1. So you write it is a third gear. You can write transmission efficiency in third gear is how much? 85, and third gear is 8.4 is to 1. Third gear 8.4 is to 1. Now, performance of the vehicle is such that it will reach a speed of 86.8 km per hour at 2000 rpm at wide open throttle when running on a level road. Okay. In still air at the same engine speed in the third gear, it will just climb a gradient of 1 is to 4. So now see, first of all, he has given the truck weight and he has given how much power the engine will develop. He has given a brake horsepower at 2400 rpm. He has given 2400 rpm. Then he has given transmission efficiency is 90%. Okay. So in top gear 90%, third gear 80%, 85%. In top gear we are having ratio 3.4 is to 1, and third gear 8.4 is to 1. Okay. So now he is telling that my vehicle performance is just that it will reach a speed 86.8 kilometer per hour at 2400 rpm at wide open throttle when running on a level road in still air. So note down this value, that is no grade resistance. Only 2 points are there. Okay, so it will reach a speed 86.8 kilometer per hour at 2400 rpm. Okay, so now you note down. I have written weight, brake power, top gear. So these are the given data. You have to write. Now see, it is given what? Speed 86.8 kilometer per hour and 2400 rpm. Speed is 86.8 kilometer per hour. Speed is 2400 rpm. Okay. Now, so it is a level road, no gradient resistance. Note down, no gradient. It is a level road. Okay. Now see, at the same engine speed. See, this is vehicle speed, no? Further, you have to find engine speed. At the same engine speed in third gear, it will be able to climb a gradient of 1 is to 14. Okay. So here I will be having one engine speed. Fine. Here now the same engine speed, my gradient is, I will be able to gradient, that is a climb over a slope 1 is to 14. How much it is given? 1 is to 14. Okay. Now for total resistance he has given the formula. I am not going to write here. This is the formula. A should be in meter square, V should be in kilometer per hour, W in Newton. Now see, you have to find what is the rolling resistance coefficient K and what is aerodynamic resistance coefficient Ka. See, calculate K and Ka. For that only he has given two values. That is what he has given, speed this much, that is vehicle speed V, and N, no gradient level, no gradient. It is a level road. So for the same engine speed, that is 2400 rpm, it will be able to climb 1 is to 14. So for two cases, you have to find out the resistance value and you have to solve the two equation and you will be getting K and Ka. Okay. Then after that, what you have to do, you have to calculate the engine power for climbing a grade 1 is to 40. Speed is 48 kilometer per hour in top gear. Okay. Now, that is once you have to find Ka, K, then you have to find grade 1 is to 40. That is grade 1 by 40, 48 kilometer per hour, 48 kilometer per hour in top gear is going in top gear. For that, you have to find engine power. Okay. Then last is how much weight can be added. That is in this condition, how much weight can be added for above condition. That is grade 1 by 40, 48 or above. So first of all, you understand the problem. That's all. The problem is made into like this: weight given, brake power given, speed given, top gear ratio, efficiency, transmission efficiency, third gear efficiency, third gear ratio. Now, V engine speed is given, and vehicle speed is given, uh, and for the same engine speed, gradient 1 is to 4. So two equations you have to write, and you have to find K and Ka. Okay. Then you have to go for top gear. It is going in a grade 1 by 40, speed 48 kilometer per hour. You have to find engine power. Okay. Then for this condition, that is how much weight. How much weight means till I can match my resistance R to the tractive force. Okay. So the first step, what I am going to do is I will be explaining here. I will not be showing everything. See, I will be showing parallelly both. So I have written the given data. And see, one data I have missed. That is, yes, given at last sentence C. Frontal area of the truck. That is A 5.575 meter square. Okay. So now, first condition, what I am going to do is for top gear solution. Top gear. So this and all given data. Let me give it in red. Solution top gear. What I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate the tractive force. For that I'm using this formula. Okay. So use this formula. Let me. I will not show the value. So use this formula. That is I'm going to go in top gear. My V is given, and N also not given, but I'm not going to use it. Top gear, find out F. That is what is F? Tractive force. Okay. Find F. See, you are having a formula: brake power into transmission efficiency into 3600 by V. This already, that is for finding out brake power, what you will be doing? F into V divided by transmission efficiency. divided by 3600. The same formula is getting modified. Usually you will be using this formula for finding a brake power. Now we are using this for finding tractive force. So brake power is given. Go and refer the problem. 97. So substitute the value for brake power 97. Transmission efficiency for top gear C 0.9. Okay. Then 3600 divided by V. V is nothing but should be in kilometer per hour. So write 86.8. Okay. So now you find the value and someone unmute your call and inform me. Step by step, I'm going to proceed so that you will be able to understand well. You see both left hand side and right hand side. Okay. Right hand side, I will show the formula. Left hand side, I will be showing how to substitute the values.
3620.73.
How much pa?
3620.73.
In chat. Person, type your answer in chat box. What about Manikandan? What is the answer? Manikandan, you are getting the answer 3629. Manikandan, unmute your call. I think he has left. Network problem. Okay, I think everyone can see the answer. Okay, 3629. So it is better to come in chat box. So here, see, he's writing 3621. Whatever it may be, not a issue. You take the answer what you are getting. Okay. So I will be typing the answer here. 3629. Okay. 3629 you are getting. Check whether 3629 or 3621. Doesn't matter. Only minute difference.
3620.73.
Then it will be 29. Okay. 3621 only. Now, see, now I am going to use this formula. That is for top gear. Let me use this, otherwise I will type it. That will be a good one. That is, it is given my resistance. Okay, I will be writing R. That is, I have to overcome. My F should be equal to R. Then only I can propel my vehicle. KW plus A, 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 V square plus W sin theta. Okay. So now put theta. It is theta or what? It is like 5. Let me use this. This is more or less looking like theta. Okay. So first of all, for top gear, I am finding the tractive force. For that formula, I have shown CBP into transmission efficiency 3600 by V. So I substituted the value and found out 3621. Now use this formula. It is given in the problem itself. So now what you have to do is you can put here itself. I will type R should be equal to F, and only I can make my vehicle to run at constant speed. Okay, so now I will write F is equal to, I will be copying this, and then K I don't know, K I have to find. Okay, W I know, substitute this. plus A A into area. Area should be in meter square. Okay, I am taking last value. See, last it is given here. I didn't show, but in problem side I have shown. Without frontal area data, we can't proceed. That is for calculating the resistance. Ka into, you cancel the units. No need to put units. Now into V squared. V should be in kilometer per hour. Okay, see, it is given V in kilometer per hour. So for top gear, what is V? 86.8. So now into 86.8 square. Okay, 86.8 square. That is, I written instead of Ka, I written A V squared. What about gradient resistance? You have to think. Go to the problem. What it is given? See, running on level road. Here I have written no gradient. It is level road. So whenever I am going in the top gear, I can write gradient resistance as 0. Okay. Now you will be having a value. Now I will go to the book. See what I will be doing now. I will be equating my F. F I have found out 3621. That is equal to, no need to put Newton. I will be copying this. C. Yes, written C. Weight into Ka 5.75 into 86.8. So you will be getting like this. Check. Let me show the equation alone. Check whether you are getting like this. 3621 multiplied by K plus 42,000 Ka. Once you are getting this, you replay. This will be equation 1. Okay, similarly, you have to find equation 2 and solve the two equation. You will be getting what? K and Ka. Okay,
Sir,
so check and tell me. Manikandan, you are getting the answer?
sir, 42,025, sir.
42,025, it's coming, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check with Ilayarsan also. Ilayarsan, he is getting 42,009. Okay, he is having some accuracy. Just 9 is more. So whatever answer you are getting, you write. Okay, no need to worry. Do another time checking. Check your calculation again. Still, if it is coming 42,009, you can use it, or 42,023, you can use it. But both of you should get the same answer. Okay. Now, similarly, you have to proceed with second gear. Second gear is given what? That is a, sorry, not second gear, third gear. Third gear. For third gear, transmission efficiency 90, gear ratio given. Okay. Vehicle speed, you have to know. Brake power is constant. So you have to find F. Okay, same formula. So first of all, what he is doing now? Using gear ratio is finding out V. This I am going to explain you now. Okay, that is, this one is third gear. V V3 divided by Law of gearing. Okay, this is law of gearing. Speed is inversely proportional to gear ratio. You might have studied in engineering. What is that? Mechanics of machines. Law of gearing. Okay, V3 by V4 is equal to that is G4 by P3. Okay, you write left hand side. I am writing no. The same thing you have to write. This formula is known as law of gearing. Okay, for third gear I have to find V. Okay, so let me write V3 and V4. I know this given now 86.8. So type 86.8. That is equal to G4. That is top gear 3.4. I'm getting no divided by third gear. Third gear 8.4. Okay, 8.4. See, now I will be taking the 86.8 to right hand side. Then I can find V3. So in sentence, you no need to write V3. Write vehicle speed in third gear. When you can use this formula, no? Provided engine speed is same. See, engine speed same only. I will have this relation, that is I can correlate the vehicle speed with gear. That is whatever the speed change is going to take place, it will be taking place due to gear ratio. My engine speed is constant. Whenever the engine speed is same, that is for top gear as well as third gear, normally it will be same only. I'm using this formula V3 by V4, that is equal to G4 by G3. C is using this and is getting, you check whether you are getting 35.1. Once you are getting, you come to the chat box. Ilayarsan got, very good, 35.13. Manigandan also got, nice. 35.1 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, we are going to find the tractive effort similar to this one, top gear. That is for top gear, we use this formula. Again, I will copy that. See, I am going to crop. Where it is. Instead of typing, no, this will reduce time. So that I am putting the formula also. Now you can write the formula. For third gear, you calculate tractive force. Okay. So I am writing tractive force for third gear. Okay. Now, what is the brake power? Same brake power. Brake power is 97. 97 multiplied by transmission efficiency for third gear, zero point 0.9, gear ratio 8.4. 0.9 into 3600 divided by vehicle speed. Now we have found how much? 35.1. Okay. Check the answer. 97. It is not zero point 0.9. Check gear ratio of third gear. For 85%. I have typed it wrongly. I used the same gear ratio, same transmission efficiency, not gear ratio. Okay. Now I correct that. Come here. Now instead of zero point 0.9, you put 0.85. In top gear only 0.9.
8449.18.
Okay. So till this, I think you'll be able to understand. Let me check with the book answer. No need to see the right hand side. Just for verification of answer, see 8456.4 Newton. Manigandan got it. What about 11 version? We have to come into chat box. Okay, no, not an issue. You got 8449. Previously got 8953. He is working out sincerely. Very good. What about Manigandan? Manigandan 8449. Okay. So whatever answer you are getting, 11 version is getting 8456. So it may be correct. You discuss with yourself. Otherwise, you do the calculation again. Okay. So one person is getting this answer means this answer may be correct because it is matching with the book. No. Now again, I am going to the problem here. Problem. That is simultaneously we are referring the problem and writing. This tractive force is for third gear. Okay. Now we have to correlate this tractive force and you have to write another equation that is 8456 that is equal to A multiplied by same weight. Okay. Only the speed varies. Or second, third gear or top gear, whatever it may be, weight remains same. And KA frontal area also remains same. V changes. For third gear, my linear speed, vehicle speed is 35.1 kilometer per hour. So I am writing what? 35.1. Okay. Now listen the problem carefully. Top gear I am running on level road. See my cursor. Performance of the vehicle is such that it will reach a speed of 86.8 km per hour at 2400 rpm, wide open throttle until running on the level road. Okay. And same engine speed, third gear just to climb a gradient. So now what happens to in addition to this two resistance, my gradient resistance also will come into picture. See, in first case in top gear, I didn't write my gradient resistance. What I have done, I have put plus 0 because it is the vehicle is driven on level road. Okay. So here I am having what? Gradient resistance. Okay. So put W again multiplied by sine theta. That is grade 1 by 14. Okay. See, ah, not 1 by 14, that is weight divided by 14. Grade you can write like this. Okay. That is weight divided by 14. That is 1 is to 14 means you have to multiply the weight into sine theta. Sine theta is what? 1 by 14. It is given grade, no? Grade is nothing but sine theta or tan theta. Since the angle is small, we can approximate to sine theta or tan theta. It is given what? 1 is to 14. That is 1 by 14. So you have written this formula. This one will be the second one. Before writing this, let me summarize it. Okay. So you take this term there, check whether you are getting this equation 1305.6, that is equal to 10011 a plus 6860 KA. So this one will be equation number 2. Okay, you check whether you are getting this equation. Once you are getting this equation, no, you try to solve this. Solve equation 1 and 2. Try to find Ka and K. So I am highlighting the first equation and second equation. If you want, I can put like this also. See, try to solve. You no need to multiply and all. Just subtract equation 1 and 2. K will be cancelled. You find Ka. Then either use equation 1 or equation 2. Find what is K. I need a K value. What is Ka? These are coefficient, so no unit. Okay. The first part of the problem is over. See, first part of the problem is asking what? He has given two datas related to top gear and third gear, and he is asking you to find K and Ka. So, using the data, what I am doing? I am substituting using this equation. I am substituting the values. Other things okay. A, B, I will be getting it directly. But R, instead of R, I am equating to F. It is logically it is correct. Okay, when the vehicle is moving at constant speed, I can equate F is equal to R. My tractive force should be equal to resistance. Okay, find K and Ka. Solve 1 and 2. I will come to the chat box. Ka ordered 8 with the value. Vishnu Vijay Kumar got answer good. Ka into 5 points the value. I have added 8 with that value. Ah, what does it mean? Yeah. See this one now 35 point whole square 11. You have to see the entire thing. Ka into 5.57 into 35 whole square so that only the number is big. I think now you'll be able to understand. Similarly for here also velocity square. Okay, then you may get this answer 6860. Check whether you are getting equation 1 and 2 correctly. Already you have written equation 1. Check whether you are getting equation 2. 11 I have this one is square 35.1 square. Manigandan try to solve the equation and give the values of K and Ka. Whether you are getting the equation for second one correct or not, check. What about the answer, man? K and KA? Any doubts? Manikandan,
Sir,
unmute the call.
KA is equal to 0.065.
KA, very good.
K,
0.065. What about K?
K is equal to
K.
8.88 into 10 to the power minus 8.
So write like this. We may get 0.0085. After decimal point, you will be having a two zeros. Check whether you are getting this answer. See, for K and K not, no, KA, you should not write into 10 power minus 3 because it is coefficient. Always you have to write point not, point 2, point 3, like that only you have to write. Okay. So 10 power minus 3, that format is not recommended for K and KA. Eleverson, have you got the answer? Good. KA point. KA is only 1 0, man. See, KA is only 1 0, Eleverson. I think you have corrected. Yeah, correct. What about K? Try to find. So one part of the question is over. Okay. Eleverson, I'm waiting for you. Give me the answer for K. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do now? I'm going to rewrite that equation. Go to the problem. So now my resistance equation will be R. R will be equal to K into W. So what is K? 0.088852 multiplied by weight plus Ka is how much? 0.065. Frontal area is and all constant, okay? But V is not constant. It may change. So I will put V squared plus W sine theta. W is nothing but 100,111 sine theta 1 by 14. Now you simplify this and check whether the answer given in the book matches with you. See, is writing. See, what I have written now, the same thing is writing. There is no need to see this one. See this one. The formula for resistance. Because we have found K and KNO. So I can write like this. And you no need to put 1 by 14 because previously it is given 1 by 14. 1 by 14 is not constant. No, I can say always I will go through the slope 1 by 14. So what I am going to do, V, I am going to keep it as V, that is V itself. And this one, I will keep it as W sine theta. Okay. There is a W value you can write. So what he has done, instead of writing W, he has given expression. I thought of simplifying by putting the value of W. So see, you write like this. No need to write area value also. So he has simplified. This is the expression for resistance. You see in both the right hand side and left hand side, we have found out the expression for resistance. That is, we have found out what? K and Ka. Now R is equal to 0.00852 W and Ka is equal to 0.65 A into V squared. Okay, and W sine theta. Now see, we will go to the next part. That is, he is asked K and Ka. We have found out. Next, he is asking what should be the engine power required for claiming grade 1 in 40. Now, in this formula, you substitute V as 48 kilometer per hour is given C. Grade 1 is to 40, no? So instead of sine, grade is nothing but sine theta. So sine theta is equal to 1 is in 40. So 1 by 40. Which gear is given? Top gear. So for this, try to find R. First of all, you find R. So here I am substituting the formula R. What is the value of W? 100,111. K 5.575. 5.575. V 48 kilometer per hour. That is 48 is for top gear, not this speed. Actually, for top gear, the actual speed will be how much? You might have seen 86. But since it is climbing over a grade, the speed is getting reduced. Okay, 48. Now we have to find the resistance. Instead of sine theta, you substitute 1 by 40. The same thing what I have done. The book also is same. So try to get the answer. Check. It should be 852. It should be 846.
R
And
is
last
equal
one.
to 4190.63.
Okay, good. 4,000 approximately, more or less, it is coming like that only. Let me check again whether it is coming 4,200. What about Ilavarsan? I will come to chat box. Money content is getting 4190. 10 shortage, okay? 10. Is getting 4,200. Let us wait for Ilavarsan. Ilavarsan, check the answer whether you are getting 4,200. Ilavarsan, are you on the line? Vishnu, you can also give the answer. One answer, Vishnu has left. Ilavarsan left, ah? No, Ilavarsan has given the answer. Ilavarsan, give the answer, man, for R. Vishnu has left. Okay, no problem. You try to find the answer. R. Okay. I will proceed to the next step. You will try to find the answer. Next, what is asking? Go through the given data. He is telling that grade 140, 40 kilometer power, top gear. What is the engine power? So now I have calculated what? Resistance. So using this resistance, I can calculate power. So instead of F, I will put R. Brake power is equal to R into V divided by transmission efficiency and 3600. So see this formula, engine power. It is not new. It is what? It is not coefficient of friction. It is transmission efficiency, new. Okay, printing mistake. Let me copy the formula here. See now, I am writing the formula for engine power. R into V divided by 3600. This is not new. Transmission efficiency. See for third gear, for top gear, transmission efficiency is 0.9. Okay. So you take that value 0.9, 3600, R we have found out, V it is given 48. So now tell me what is the engine power. Another part of the question is over. Two parts. First part is you have to find K, Ka, and next one grade is changed. That is 1 by 40. So with that grade, you have to find engine power. So now you tell me the answer for engine power. Manigandan or Ilavarsan. I have substituted the values also. So let me keep it like this. Manigandan, check what is the engine power. Ilavarsan, you got 4190. Then you change. So this one you are getting what? 4190. Maybe some mistake. Always you go ahead with your own values. Provided it should be correct. Okay. You make a calculation twice. So now see I have changed 4190. For that value you find engine power. That is how much engine power I require to go through the grade 1 by 14 in top gear. So Eliaverson has given the answer 50.28 kilowatt. What about Manigandan? Manigandan is getting 62. You check again, man. Which one is correct? 62 means you might have put 4202. But approximately that will be correct. Either above 60. Okay. So 50.28 is too low. It can't be accepted. In book, it is getting around 62 or 63. I will put 62. 11%, you check the answer again. Yeah, 11% also getting 62. Then it's okay. So two parts over. We have found engine power for gradability 1 is to 40. And we have found out K and K. Now, see how much weight can be added to the vehicle to use this engine power fully under this condition. I will explain this concept. See what happened now. I am going in top gear. Okay. In the top gear, I am going at a speed of 48 kilometer per hour. And for that weight, that is a 100 weight, I am able to climb the grade 1 by 40. For that resistance is 4202, and my I will be developing engine power of 62 kilowatt. and I want to increase my capacity. That is, when the vehicle is going over the slope, no, I have to increase the weight of my vehicle, so that maximum power, the entire 62 kilowatt, I have to use. For example, see, 62 kilowatt is able to produce 6000 newton. That is a tractive force is 6000 newton, means my resistance, see, 4200. So excess 2000 is available. This excess 2000 I can utilize for different purposes. Here I am going to utilize for increasing the weight. You may think, how the increase in weight? 2000 extra, no? When I'm increasing the W, my R value will come from 4200 to 6000, so that my engine power will be effectively utilized to overcome the resistance. No excess power will be available. Okay. So for that, you have to find the tractive effort. Okay. So let me take it from here. So this is the formula for tractive effort. Let me copy. After this, see, this is the first part. Okay. So what I am doing, I am increasing the font size. Answer. We have found out what? K and K. Next, we have found out engine power. Answer. That is for climbing a slope 1 by 4. Next, heading will be how much excess weight I can add. Okay. So for that, first of all, you have to find what? Tractive force. So similar to this, you have to write. Okay, excess weight, you put a heading, then you write tractive force available. So now you take the brake power as 62 kilowatt multiplied by which gear you are going? We are going in top gear. Top gear transmission efficiency is given 0.9. Multiply by 3600 divided by V. What is the V here? 48 kilometer per hour. So find the tractive force. No need to refer that one. Okay, for answer we will check it. That is, for that condition, that is, I am going at 48 kilometer per hour for climbing a grade 1 by 40, resistance is this much. So when I am going like this, what will be my engine power? For the engine power, what is the tractive force? Okay. Ilavarsan, Manigandan, what is the answer? I will be waiting. You give the answer. If you're having any doubt, unmute the call and come to line. Otherwise, come to chat box. Till you are giving the answer, I will wait. Okay. Try to complete within 2 minutes. We have to see another one problem also. Ilavarsan is getting 4185. What about Manigandan? Manikandan, are you on the line? Same answer you are getting. 4185. Okay. Let me check with the book. He's putting 97. Why?
Top gear brake power, sir.
Top gear brake power. And this one is, let me explain this. Okay. You have to put 97 only. Yeah. Ilavarsan and Manigandan, listen carefully. This engine power is consumed engine power. Understand the word. This engine power is consumed engine power. That is when I am going over a gradient, that is 1 by 40 at speed 48 kilometer per hour. For this resistance in that engine power, no, I am able to meet the exact resistance, no excess power available, consumed. But my engine design is how much, no? It will be able to produce power more than that. That is for going over a gradient 1 by 40 at speed 48 kilometer per hour, I need only 62 kilowatt. But as per the problem, I am having the power how much? 97. So for finding out the tractive force, you have to remember, you have to use engine power available. Okay, this one is engine power consumed or required. So don't get confused. Correct the mistake. Okay. Now you put 97, you may get the answer. See, these types of mistakes are good so that year after you will not do in the exam. Okay, you understood one concept? No. That is always for calculating tractive force, you have to use engine power available, not engine power required. Okay, so by using V and grade, we have found out R, and we are finding out engine power by R. So when you are finding engine power by R, it will be engine power consumed or required. You have to find engine power by F, then only it will be available. Okay, for F, engine power available you have to use. So what is the answer? 6547. What about Ilavarsan? He is getting 8456, man. I think he's used transmission efficiency. It is a top gear only, no? Check the problem. No, no, no. This one only you have to check. Correct. 6547. I am checking the first value. Okay. So this answer is correct. Ilavarsan, have you got the answer? 6547. Correct answer. What about Ilavarsan? You got 6547?
Yes, sir.
Manigandan, you got very good. I'm asking about Ilavarsan. Ilavarsan left the meeting, huh? Yeah, he left the meeting due to some net connectivity. Now see, Manigandan, next step is you have to find how much weight I can add. For that, I'm going to show this slide. Okay? So the remaining part, let me show the calculation. Other things I will crop so that you will not get confused. See, the required part I have copied here. See, for driving over a slope 1 by 40, that is at 48 kilometer per hour, I require what? 4200. Let it be 4190 or approximately 4200. Okay, we will keep it like this. I need yeah, force, tractive force of this much, 4200. But I am having 6547. My available, that is my engine power is more. So I am having how much? 6547. So how much is excess? That is how much is excess you have to find. That will be for drop or pull. Drop or pull means I will be having excess tractive effort so that I can use it for pulling another vehicle. Okay. So he is using the word tra bar pull. Okay. So now see, this one is greater because my rated engine power is more. So 6547 minus 4202. 4202 you subtract. Okay. 6547 minus 4202. See, it is coming how much? 2345. So tractive effort for draw bar pull is, see the difference. So now you have to understood that this much force is available for me. I can use this force to add extra weight. He is asking to add extra weight only. He is not asking you to increase the speed. That is, you have to increase the acceleration or to increase the grade. He is asking so that extra weight can be added. So for this force, how much weight I can add? So you are going to this. I will be writing now. R is equal to KW. In that only you have to let me for understanding purpose. No, you have to go through this formula. See, okay. R is equal to KA V squared plus W sin theta. So in this condition, R as well as F, my excess amount of tractive effort is how much? 2345. Now you have to get the answer. I am having excess 4 of 2345. Three components are there. One is gradient resistance, one is aerodynamic resistance, and another is rolling resistance. Okay. So any one I can go further. That is one is, since it is excess. Okay, I will use the word excess tractive force. Okay. So first one, considering KW, I can increase my W. Okay. Second one, I can increase the vehicle speed so that aerodynamic resistance can be increased. This force can be used. Okay. And third one, first one increase W, second one increase V, and third one increase, I can increase what? Theta. Okay. So I can't, if I am going to solve this problem, I will suggest I can increase V, I can increase theta, and I can increase W. But he is asking, no need to bother about other things. I have to add extra weight. He is asking, since there is a excess tractive effort is there, how much weight I can add extra. So what you have to do now? You have to omit the other terms. Okay. So you omit these two terms. That is, you are not bothering about aerodynamic resistance and grade resistance. You put simply KW. Okay. So KW I am writing. So I can increase this. Okay. So what I am going to do is how much weight I can add extra. Okay, actually it is 0.00852 W. Additionally, I can add. Okay, is dividing by 1 is to 40. Is considering what gradient resistance also. Since it is moving in a gradient, that is gradient resistance also, W is going to come. I have to consider gradient also. Okay, so in this I can neglect only aerodynamic resistance and I can neglect gradient resistance. But what is the problem is I can increase my theta so that I can omit this term. But what happened now? W is there. So whenever I'm increasing the W, grade resistance also increases. Uh, Practically speaking, these two terms can be neglected, aerodynamic and grade resistance. But what happened in grade? Grade resistance depends upon my W. Okay. So whenever I'm changing my W, it may affect my grade resistance. So simultaneously, two component will increase when I'm increasing W. So so that only I'm adding W sin theta. You have to understand, okay? That is, I am not taking grade resistance. Since W is there, I am taking the grade resistance. Now see, uh, K I know 0.0852 W, and W we keep like that, okay? Because I am not fixing the W. How much I can increase my W, I am going to find. W is with this force, I'm going to find W. No, that is the increase I'm going to get. Okay, so plus W grade is given. See, I'm not increasing the grade. The problem itself, grade is given what 1 by 40. So I am putting 1 by 40. That is W by 40. Now, what you have to do, you equate this to 2345. 2345. You equate this, okay? So now you find W. What is the W value? Try to find this, okay? So this is the weight. You subtract this W with the original one. So a additional weight you can find, okay? Try to find W. Check whether you are getting 69,000. Why 11% left? You are getting 21,000. Check again.
Sir,
And you are getting only
எனக்கு
21,000, man.
வந்து எஸ்
Tell me,
சார்
man. Little bit louder.
எஸ் எஸ் சார்
2345 point. You are getting this one like this 2345 divided by 0.03352. This one is point. This one by this should be same. No, it can't be increased beyond this. So this much excess weight I can add. Why I am telling excess weight? No, because F is 2345, not 6547. If I putting 6547, it will be including that 1 lakh Newton also. So 1 lakh Newton plus 69, 1 lakh 69,000, the weight, the truck weight I can design. Okay, 2345 divided by 0.03352. I'm getting 69,000, man. Check. Manigandan. Check. I'm getting 69,958. Before you only I have solved. Check. Getting the answer?
அதே தான் சார் வருது.
எப்படிப்பா வரும்? இங்க பாருப்பா, இங்க வந்து 2345 தானே?
ஆமா
இங்க வந்து
சார்.
0.00852 தானே?
ஆமா
பிளஸ்
சார்.
W by 40 போடு. 40 வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 0.025 தானே?
ஆமா சார்.
இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணா 0.0352 தானே வரும். இந்த ஸ்டெப்பை
சார்
பாருப்பா, இந்த ஸ்டெப்பை பார்த்தாலே உனக்கு புரிஞ்சிருமே. எதுவுமே மாறலப்பா, சிம்பிள்
நான்
கால்குலேஷன்.
இதை பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன் சார். இந்த இந்த பார்த்துருந்தேன் சார். 0.0852 போட்டுருக்கேன் சார்.
அது போட தேவையில்ல. ப்ளஸ் 0.025 போட்டுக்கோ. அவன் என்ன பண்ணுறான், இஸ் டேக்கிங் டபிள்யூ காமன். தட் இஸ் இங்கே வந்து 0.00852 டபிள்யூ ப்ளஸ் டபிள்யூ பை 40 இருக்கா, டபிள்யூ காமனாக எடுத்துட்டு இஸ் ஆடிங் பாயிண்ட்
அது
ஜீரோ ஜீரோ
ஓகே
எயிட்
சார்.
ஃபைவ்
நான்
டூ
இந்த இப்போ இந்த
அதான் நானே
ஒன்
ஒர்க் அவுட்
இன்க்ரீஸ்
பண்ணி
டபுள்யூ
பார்த்தேன், அதே
போட்டிருக்கீங்களா
ஆன்சர்
சார்?
வருது. 69,958 வருது பார். இதுதான் எக்ஸஸ் வெயிட்.
சார்
அதாவது கம்பேர்ட் டு
நீங்க
1 lakh.
நீங்க டைப் பண்ணதை வச்சு நான் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன் சார். நீங்க டைப் பண்ண 0.08 போட்டிருந்தீங்க. அதை
சரி,
வச்சு நான்
கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோ,
போட்டேன்.
கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோண்ணே. அதாவது
அங்க
என்னன்னா, நீங்க டபிள்யூ
அதான்
பை
சார்
40
டபிள்யூ இஸ்
விட்டுருப்ப.
ஈக்குவல் டு மேலே பாருங்க சார். 0.08 இருக்கு.
0.08. ஓ சாரிப்பா, சாரிப்பா, என்னோட பிரிண்டிங் டைப்பிங் மிஸ்டேக்.
இங்க
இப்போ கரெக்டாக வரும் பாரு. நான் அது ரெண்டாவது தடவை அமுக்கும் போது மிஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். குட். நான் ஆனால் சால்வ் பண்ணும்போது இதை ரெஃபர் பண்ணாமல் இதை தான் பார்த்து சால்வ் பண்ணேன். அதான் ஆன்சர் வந்துச்சு. இப்போ வருதா பாரு.
வருது சார்.
ஓகே,
இப்போ
ஓகேயா. ஸோ இதுதான் என்னது,
6,958.
அதான் இந்த வெயிட் தான் இது எக்ஸஸ் வெயிட். ஸோ வித் தட் வெஹிக்கல், if I want to utilize my vehicle completely, there is maximum utilization of vehicle I have to use, means I can add this much weight. That is, you have to say, in addition to 1 lakh 111, I can add this 69,000. Okay, so that what will happen, my tractive force will be 6547, my resistance also will be 6547. Just I can overcome the resistance and the vehicle can travel at constant speed. Okay, புரியுதாப்பா மணிகண்டன்?
எஸ் சார்.
ஓகே, ஸோ இது வந்து ஒரு
எஸ்
இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்.
சார்.
ஓகே, இது வந்து ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ப்ராப்ளம். பார்த்துக்கோ, ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கேளு.
நோ சார். டவுட்
ஓகே,
இல்லை சார்.
இப்போ நீ நேற்று கிளாஸ் நீ வராதனால இன்னொன்று நான் சொல்லிடுறேன்.
ஓகே சார்.
அதாவது யூனிட் 2ல இதுதான் கொஸ்டின்ஸ். இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாமே நீங்கள் படிச்சாகணும். அதாவது திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம் அண்ட் திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம் சேம். இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்களோ, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்களோ அதே மெத்தடாலஜியில் இந்த ப்ராப்ளமும் சால்வ் பண்ணணும். சரியா? அதே மாதிரி இப்போ பார்த்த ப்ராப்ளமும் இங்கே இருக்கு பாரு, இன்னொரு ப்ராப்ளம், அதுவும் மேபி சேமாக இருக்கும். அப்புறம் இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து நம்ம பார்ப்போம் எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஓகே, இது வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் பார்ப்போம். இன்னும் இந்த ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் மட்டும் முடிச்சிட்டா அந்த யூனிட் முடிஞ்சிடும். ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் பார்த்தா இருக்கிற
ஓகே
எல்லா
சார்.
ப்ராப்ளமுமே நம்ம பார்த்த ஒரு 4 ப்ராப்ளம் வச்சு சால்வ் பண்ணிடலாம். அப்புறம் இதெல்லாம் தியரி கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, ஸோ
ஓகே சார்.
என்ன பண்ணுற,
ஓகே சார்.
நான் வந்து ஏற்கனவே தட் இஸ் ஐ ஹவ் taken what are the problems. See, unit 2 problem number 1 yesterday we have solved, இளவரசனோட we have solved, and problem number 2 this one today we are solving. Method is same but he has changed the value. Okay, ஸோ ப்ராப்ளம் நம்பர் 1 அண்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் நம்பர் 2 சேம் தான். ப்ராப்ளம் நம்பர் 3
ம்.
இப்போ பார்த்தது, அது நம்ம ஒர்க்
ம்.
அவுட் பண்ணிட்டோம். ஒரே ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் மட்டும் பார்த்துட்டு அந்த யூனிட்டை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு நம்ம தேர்ட் யூனிட் ஆரம்பிச்சிடலாம். தென் வந்து
ஓகே சார்.
ப்ராப்ளம் 5, இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாமே நீங்கள் சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டா போதும். 100% ஐ கேன் கேரண்டி இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்துலேருந்து தான் வரும். இந்த மாதிரியாவது வரும், இந்த மெத்தடாலஜியாவது வரும். சரியா? இப்போ நான்
ஓகே
என்ன
சார்.
பண்ணுறேன், ஐ வில் பி ஷேரிங் திஸ் டாக்குமெண்ட் வித் யூ. யூ புட் இட் இன் வாட்ஸ்அப். Hmm?
ஓகே
Otherwise, I
சார்.
will put it in WhatsApp. You refer that, okay?
ஓகே சார்.
Okay. So next class you will start unit 3, okay?
ஓகே சார்.
Okay. Thank you.
தேங்க் யூ சார்.